In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft SQL to n8n. To get started, open your n8n workflow or project. This can be an existing workflow, or you can create a new one, just like I'm doing here. Next, click Add First Step or simply Add a Node. In the Node search bar, type SQL, then select Microsoft SQL from the list. Once the node is added, choose an action. In this example, I'll select Execute a SQL Query, which allows you to run custom SQL commands directly from your workflow. Before you can run queries, you'll need to connect your Microsoft SQL credentials. To do this, go to the Credentials section inside the node parameters and click Create New Credential. You'll now see the connection settings where you must enter your database details. These fields typically include server name, database name, username, password, port, domain if required. If you're unsure how to fill out these fields, n8n makes this easy. Click Open Docs, which will take you to the official n8n documentation. There you'll find a detailed step-by-step guide explaining exactly how to configure each field for Microsoft SQL Server. I don't currently have a live SQL Server instance available to demonstrate this part, but if you follow the documentation carefully and enter your credentials correctly, the connection process is straightforward. Once your credentials are saved and connected, your Microsoft SQL node is ready to use. You can now execute SQL queries, read data from tables, insert or update records, automate database-driven workflows. And that's it. You've successfully connected Microsoft SQL Server to n8n. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy automating! If you want, I can also convert this into a YouTube short script, add exact on-screen step timestamps, create a Microsoft SQL plus n8n real-world automation example, or rewrite it as official documentation or blog post. Just tell me what you'd like next.